All right, let's move on to Ielts speaking part 2. Describe something that surprised you, right? So,
Life is full of surprises. Some are good for us and the others are not. However, I would like to talk about a surprise, my birthday party, who was held,
which was held?
which was held in past. One of my friend called me to this birthday is during my exams, so I decided to not celebrate this birthday on this year. One of my friend called me to his home for combined studies. When I visit, I surprised to saw most of my friends were there. Also, my parents and my younger brother was also there. Then I was very surprised to see all them. We celebrate birthday, but I don't think so that this surprise will amaze me. After birthday celebrations, do we listen music and we listened music and at the night we celebrated and
Okay, thank you very much. Well, overall, it's grammar and sentence structure, which is the main thing. As you started, you said I call. It should have been I called. Then you said this party is. It should have been was, right? Past tense. Then you said I decided to not. I decided to not is wrong. I decided not to.
not
Then you said I visit. It should have been I visited. Then you
Visited.
said I surprise
I
to
surprised.
saw. It should have been I was surprised
Surprised.
to see. After to, we never use second form. So you are using very limited vocabulary. The same words you are repeating time and again. Then you said I don't. It should have been I didn't. Then you said we listen to music. It should have been we listened to music. So most of the mistakes are related to tenses. You have to work on that, okay? Now let's go on. Speaking part 3. What type of surprises do you get in your life? Or do you receive in your life?
I have received many surprises recently that I already told you that a surprise on my birthday party that celebrated in last year. Also, I have many surprised in my past.
I have many surprised in my past. No, I have
Surprises
received many surprises in my
my
past.
past.
So you need to talk about those surprises. For example, what kind of surprises do you come across? Well, first of all, the main surprise is a surprise birthday party. And my friends, they often give me such type of surprises. Secondly, I receive surprise gifts. Some of my relatives, they come and they give me a gift even without telling me. So these type of surprises are very common in my life. Okay, there should be some knowledge part, so you are missing that knowledge part as well. Whenever you answer, there should be at least a couple of good ideas which are related to the question. Okay, all right, thank you.